Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you my Tesla 2013 Model S center console, or MCU. It's bubbling up. So the proper definition of this is actually liquid on the MCU for Tesla. So this is a known problem. So if you Google the keyword MCU Tesla liquid or Tesla LCD liquid leak, you will get a lot of web pages and forums talking about this. So I have a protective what do you call it, screen on it, but it's actually not the protective glass which I thought it was at first. This is actually inside, and you can actually see some resemblance of kind of like a liquid type of drip kind of mark, as you can see there. So I didn't even know that the LCD has liquid, but this is a good example right there. You see that bubble? So that's the resemblance again, that this is actually wet, some kind of liquid. It's still fully functional. I don't have any issue at all. The radio, all the buttons here are still fully functional. There's absolutely nothing wrong that I can think of, other than the fact that this ugliness here. So other than that, other than the annoyance, the MCU probably does not need to be replaced. Now, I have upgraded this MCU one time already. It used to be non-LTE when I first got the car, and in 2017 we upgraded to LTE. It cost me about $800 at the service center to upgrade to LTE, because it was so slow. It couldn't even load up songs. And after we upgrade to LTE, we don't have any problem. The browser is still not good. So the web here never really worked properly for me. It always just causes a lot of problem. But yeah, so what we need to do right now is I'm gonna call Tesla, or create a assistant request or ticket from the app. What do you call it? They call it something here. Service, and they're calling it something. Anyways, I think you can take a picture. I'm gonna try to see if I can take a picture of this and create a service ticket and see what they say. According to what I read online, this is actually gonna cost $2,500, and you have to upgrade to a new MCU. The good thing about the new MCU is that it's fast. The browser will work. Yeah, it's much faster, but I actually don't care for it. I may be upgrading to a newer Tesla Model X soon, but for now, this is perfectly fine for me, and I just don't see a reason to spend $2,500. But it's so annoying. Maybe I will. I'm gonna contact Tesla anyway. If you have the same problem, you may want to subscribe to my channel and watch or look at the description, depending on when you're watching this. I may have already an answer of what Tesla Service Center would tell me how to fix this problem. I may not fix it because of the cost, but at least I will put the result of my research of how to fix it and how much this will cost. So if you have the same problem, you may save some time not having to go through all that process. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day. And if you don't mind, if you like this content, please give it a like. It helps with my channel. Much appreciated. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.